In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out how many files are in a Google Drive folder. This is a quick and simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to easily keep track of the number of files in any folder in your Google Drive. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing in the URL drive.google.com or by using a bookmarked link if you have one set up. Once you are at the Google Drive homepage, make sure you are logged into the correct Google account that contains the files you're looking to count. If you're not logged in, you'll see a prompt to enter your credentials, so go ahead and do that. Now that you're in your Google Drive, direct your attention to the left sidebar and locate the section labeled My Drive. This is typically where all your personal files and folders are stored. Browse through your list of folders until you find the one you want to investigate, and then go ahead and click on this folder to open it. With the folder open, you'll see all the files contained within it displayed on your screen. To count all the files, you'll need to select them. It might seem intuitive to count them manually, but with Google Drive's handy built-in feature, you can do this in a much quicker way. Start by clicking on one of the files within the folder. This will highlight the file, and you'll notice a small checkbox appear next to it. Next, press the Control key if you're on a PC or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and then tap the letter A. This keyboard shortcut will select all the files in the folder at once. You'll see that all the files are now highlighted. If there are subfolders within the main folder, keep in mind that this action will only select the files directly visible and not those inside subfolders. Once every file is selected, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Just beside where you would typically find the share icon, you will see a small text that displays the total number of items you have selected. This is the figure you're interested in. It shows you exactly how many files are in this folder, excluding any subfolders. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly determine the number of files in a Google Drive folder. Whether you're managing business documents, school projects, or personal files, keeping track of the number of files is an excellent way to ensure your drive stays organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more handy tips like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.